what is affiliate marketing? And this is going to be a super basic one. So if you already know what this is, get the fuck off this video. But if you don't, listen up, because we are going to give you a very simple explanation of what it is. Welcome to Seven Figure Entrepreneur, guys. This is not going to be the regular intro because we are going to be talking about a special topic today. We're going to be talking about what is affiliate marketing. Do you want to take this off? You want me to take this off?
Yeah, I'll take it from here. So I would say the basic version of it is there's all sorts of people out there, mortgage brokers, car insurance brokers, just businesses in general. They want more leads.
Mm-hmm.
And there's guys like Gabe and I who are specialists that advertise, in different formats online. Maybe it's Google AdWords, maybe it's sending emails, maybe it's Facebook ads. And what we do is we advertise on behalf of these companies. And every time we send a lead, we get paid.
Mm-hmm.
And so in a perfect world, when we advertise, we may pay $10 for a lead, but then we've negotiated a preset amount, like maybe $30 for a lead from the buyer. So every time the lead comes to us that we pay 10 for, we saw if we make 30, and that's where we make our margin. What's great about this game is it's a game of great scale, meaning once you learn how to do 10 leads in a day, you can look at how to do 100 or 1,000. And generally, it's not one of those things like a normal business where you need to add more people. A lot of the time, you just need to spend more money on advertisements.
Mm-hmm. And I think that the vast range of stuff that you could market on affiliate is absolutely insane. Like we've seen everything from cold brew coffee to salmon boxes, like get like fresh salmon shipped to your door. What else, man? What's another weird one? We've seen like
there's all sorts of things. Yeah.
Gadgets, clothing, like you name it. It's out there.
Yeah.
And the cool thing of like the way we do it, or have been doing it a majority of the time, is we just work directly with affiliate companies, and they basically just have lists and lists of different offers that you can run, and they categorize it by niche or payout or whatever it is you want. And they can just tell you what's working, what's not working, and then you can just dive in and start testing. So it really eliminates the groundwork of going out there, finding companies that are looking for affiliate marketers, and getting that offer set up, because you can just go here and they'll be like, hey, this is hot, hit it.
Yeah. And I would say too, if you were to go out there and people do it, they make, deals with local roofers, maybe local, local mortgage brokers, whatever it is. And they'll make deals where it's like, hey, every time I send you a lead, pay me $20 or $30 or whatever it is. Or there's other situations that they might say, hey, like for every sale I get you, give me a percentage of the sale.
Yeah.
Those types of situations is too. And what's great about this business is, one, the scalability of it. A small team, like I think, what'd you spend last year on ads, Gabe? Over $2 million?
Yeah, something like that. I think like,
so
on affiliate, I've probably spent over 10 total, give or take.
Yeah, so that is just Gabe alone. Like just for a business to do a few $1 million a year is generally you need a small team, but it's amazing what one person can do. The second biggest benefit of doing affiliate marketing is just the lifestyle it offers.
Mm-hmm.
You get to work from home or anywhere you choose. As long as you have a computer and connection to the internet, you can make any money anywhere you want in the world.
Yeah. And to touch on that, the local lead gen affiliate stuff that you're talking about, I heard about people that they would have a flat rate on their lead. Like, let's say you're a plumber or something, and be like, oh, just pay me $10 for every time you get a lead, even if it doesn't convert. But then they're like, but we also want like 10% of the job. So you're getting that upfront cost to pay for your cost to get the lead locally. And then you're also getting a chunk on the back end.
Absolutely.
And I feel like a lot of these like trades guys, they don't know how to run leads. They don't know what they're doing. I'm sure there's a lot out there that do. And like, I'm not insulting you by any means, but if you can come to someone and be like, hey, I can get you new jobs for this much. Like, are you interested in this? They would gladly do it.
Absolutely. Effectively, at the end of the day, what you're doing is you're trading your online skills for the ability to help someone else grow their business. And what's great about this business as well is once you figure it out and you figure out how to advertise on Facebook or advertise on Google, you can apply it to any market. So for example, one thing that used to be really strong for us was the refinance market. Well, when rates crashed super low, mortgage companies weren't necessarily looking to buy leads anymore because they had such an influx of you know, their past clients calling them for refinance. But because we had a good skill set, we could easily transition into, you know, doing car insurance now, or doing
Mm.
life insurance, or, you know, selling Snuggies, whatever it is you want to do. Once you have this basic skill set, it's a skill set that can apply to so many markets that you'll always find opportunities.
I can't believe you dropped that Snuggie, man. That's a throwback. I forgot about that. I
We
mailed
used to
that
sell Snuggies
shit.
back when they were
Yeah,
cool.
we used to mail that shit like crazy. There was like a few like ones that we just hit over and over again. I'm trying to remember them. One
What
was,
was that? What about that one that would teach you to speak Spanish?
yeah, didn't that guy get
Pimsleur.
Pimsleur? Yeah,
Yeah.
that thing made bank. I feel like he got sued or something weird.
No, actually, I talked to him about it. Basically, he was licensing it, and I guess his license ran up, his
Oh,
resale license. Yeah. But honestly,
damn.
once you get this skill set down, there's so much you can do. Another thing that's great about this business, again, is just the amount of money you can make. You're not
Yeah.
tied to an hourly wage, meaning, you know, you go from spending $500 a day to spending $5,000, and say you're profiting
Mm,
2-3 grand a day. Like, one, there's nowhere else you're going to get those types of returns on your money daily in real time.
mhm.
And two, just your ability to build an income that quickly is unmatched by most. It's unmatched here by, or compared to most other markets.
Yeah, you can literally make more than most people make in a year and a month if you really focus. Like obviously it takes some time to get to that level, but it's the sky's the limit. And we've seen it happen majority of times with multiple people and stuff. So it's the proof's in the pudding.
Totally. We actually, and she wasn't necessarily doing affiliate marketing, but just online marketing. We just
Yeah.
had someone on our podcast who did over $1 million of revenue in her first 60 days. It's unreal.
Yeah. Yeah. All through affiliates running your stuff via email, via Facebook, so on and so forth.
Mm-hmm.
So there is huge value in the affiliate world, regardless if you are building an offer or if you are running something for someone else or generating leads. Yeah, it's a win-win.
Go out and see what other people are doing. Like, once you understand some of the affiliate ads and what to look for, go out and try to reverse engineer other people's campaigns, because that'll give you a good insight on what they're doing and how this whole business model works. Affiliate marketing is a great business to be in. It's something I definitely recommend. And again, it's one of those skill sets that once you learn it and build it up, it can be, you know, basically you can use it anywhere. And one thing we're actually doing right now is starting to use our skill sets in businesses that are not used to seeing our skill sets. We've been looking anywhere from like the pharmaceutical world to the investing world to the healthcare world. There's so many opportunities out there once you build this basic skill set down.
Yeah. Where would you tell people to go if they wanted to get started and learn more about this?
I would definitely listen to some of our podcasts about
Yeah.
it. With Brian Higgins would be a perfect example of one. Who
Mr.
else do we
Affiliate.
have?
Yeah.
Yeah, best hair in the game.
Uh, Anthony was really good.
Yeah, Anthony was solid.
He's a big lead gen guy. Um,
There's lots of groups on Facebook you can go
yeah,
to.
yeah.
Look up Traffic Black Book
Traffic Black Book.
by Chad.
That's an oldie.
That's an old one, but you can get it on Udemy for like, I think like $50.
Yeah, and a lot of the rules still apply. I mean, the Facebook stuff's kind of changed a little bit, but
Yeah.
the basics of it is there.
I feel like if anything, Facebook's in some respects got easier from like a targeting perspective.
Yes, it has for sure. I think from like a compliant or like a compliance perspective and everything, they're a little bit tighter on stuff. So you just got to really be aware of the policies that they have. But yeah, it's just about testing, honestly, now on Facebook. The more input you give, the more output you get, and you just got to keep
Yeah,
doing it until something hits.
totally. What's another good resource? I know there's some good forums. I've just never been a part of them. I would actually encourage people, if you want to learn about this world, to go to the events. And obviously with the state of the
Yeah,
world right now, you can't go to them, but Affiliate Summit West is good. Affiliate Summit East.
yeah.
What's the one in New York?
Isn't it? I thought. Well, it was ASE, but there
There's
used to be
another one
another
though.
one. Yeah,
Yeah.
LeadsCon, is that one too? Or
LeadsCon. Yeah.
yeah,
LeadsCon's good. What's that? There's Affiliate World,
yeah. That's in Barcelona usually.
Barcelona and Thailand. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's lots of great events. And like, if you guys are very interested in learning how to do this, I'd recommend you get out there, because you'll start building relationships, and the
Hmm.
opportunities you can get from going to these events. you know, meeting people one-on-one, learning what they do, seeing how you can help them can go miles. Like one of the things we spend a lot of our time on anytime we get the opportunity to is just networking. Even
Mm-hmm.
this podcast has been a great tool for being able to like to meet up with new people and build a deeper relationship with the people we've had already.
Mm-hmm. All right, guys. I hope that was a helpful little breakdown for you. We'll see you on the next one. Later.